Comedian and former Big Brother Naija star Deeone has shared a new video where he made claims about the arrest of popular social media critic Martins Vincent Otse, also known as VeryDarkMan. Deeone posted a screenshot of what he says is a petition that led to VeryDarkMan's arrest by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). He claimed that the petition was written by someone close to VeryDarkMan. VDM's lawyer NaijaNews earlier confirmed that he's been held by the EFCC, said he has refused to leave his cell to meet with his legal team. In the video, Deeone didn't reveal the name of the person who wrote the petition, but thanked the EFCC for acting. He wrote, "At EFCC, thank you. There is hope for Nigeria. Everywhere good, my people."
Crop it up, do anything. I've promised him he will never be out there as the person that wrote it. Now, that's why the boy said the fear. You see, that time when VeryDarkMan come out and say he has government spies working for him everywhere, he was worried that if this guy go no. I said never. Your identity will never be revealed by EFCC or me. And I told him, I said, if they don't arrest this boy, if they don't arrest him, Mrs. Screen, but if they arrest him, I know that they will charge him to court. So Monday, Tuesday, they're supposed to charge him to court. Now, the reason why I'm thanking them is because this was a very, very, we had our doubts, but I just believe in the institution. And I thank you, for doing the right thing. Although, of course, young people now, some people don't realize, they use force and all those things. But I know that EFCC can never be moved by all those things. And, the right thing will be done. He will have his chance and opportunity, maybe by his lawyer or whatever, to defend himself for some of the things that, they found. But thank you, EFCC. And thank you to the young man who believed that to manipulate people is a wrong thing. That's why some of this is why they talk. He himself, they fear. That's why they talk about, they talk about Deeone. Can you fear say, how Deeone say they know? But we still have some people who have integrity, true integrity, not be all those ones where they scream, because if you have integrity, EFCC will never pick you up. And if they pick you up, they'll release you. Just the way now, two people they arrest now, they release one person, the main person is still there. Anyway, everywhere good. Chairman of EFCC and EFCC, no institution is perfect, but I want to thank you. Everywhere good. Deeone here. Shalom.
This report came after earlier posts claimed gospel singer Petition might be linked to the case, though that has not been confirmed. The video sparked strong reactions online. While some supported Deeone, others criticized him for involving himself in the matter. Some celebrities liked the video, adding to the attention it got. Meanwhile, VDM's lawyer questioned why popular human rights activist Femi Falana has not spoken about the case, which caused more debate online. As the story continues to develop, fans are waiting to see if VDM will be charged in court or released. You can share your opinions in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more news updates as this story unfolds. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.